a great choice today with the 2020 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.